In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Mailchimp newsletter draft for mobile readability. To get started, open your newsletter project draft inside the Mailchimp block workspace layout screen. This is the main editing area where you can review the structure of your email and make sure everything is arranged properly before you test it on smaller devices. Starting from the draft view is important because it lets you work directly with the content and layout you already have instead of rebuilding anything from scratch. As you review the layout, keep all of your block text sections in a single column format. This helps avoid the common problems that happen when multi-column designs stack on mobile screens. On a desktop, multiple columns may look clean and balanced, but on a phone they often collapse in awkward ways, making text harder to read and spacing less predictable. A single column layout creates a smoother reading experience and keeps the message clear from top to bottom. Next, go to your global font size settings and make sure the minimum scaling value is set to 16 pixels. This is a helpful baseline for mobile reading because text that is too small can feel cramped and difficult to follow. By setting the minimum size to 16 pixels, you improve legibility and reduce the chance that readers will need to zoom in. It also helps your email feel more polished and accessible across different devices. Once that is set, move to the top of the browser page and click the preview drop-down menu toggle icon. From there, choose Mobile View. This allows you to see how your newsletter will actually appear on a phone-sized screen, which is where many subscribers are likely to read it. Previewing in mobile mode is one of the easiest ways to catch layout issues before sending your email. With the mobile preview open, carefully adjust the spacing and padding for individual elements until the design reads cleanly. Pay close attention to how text blocks, images, and other content areas sit within the screen width. Your goal is to create enough breathing room for comfort without pushing anything too far apart. Most importantly, make sure the design does not